Hi guys, this is Arun from YouTube. Today we are talking about continuation of the Jupiter topic. This is a part 2 video. I told that I continue to the topic. Jupiter's mass density is 1.326 centimeters cube, and in this video I mostly talked about the atmosphere and the core I rings also. First atmosphere I told that and the atmosphere of Jupiter is extend about 5,000 miles, sorry, 5,000 kilometer. But there is no solid surface in the Jupiter. That's why we get the where we get 1 MPa, miles per Pascal, 1 million Pascal units. And that where we get the 1 million Pascal, we get the this is a starting stage of Jupiter's atmosphere. I told that again, where we feel the 1 million Pascal, that means 10 bar of atmospheric unit. We feel it. That is the starting stage of Jupiter's atmosphere. And then is I told that and the atmosphere of the Jupiter is hydrogen, helium, and some of other gases also. We see the Jupiter, we see the and the color bands and white color bands and uh, dark color zones also we can see that. Why we appear in that color? Because ammonium hydrosulfide, that is the region that is mixed in the atmosphere of the clouds, atmospheric clouds, that make them sun's ultraviolet rays touches the that clouds, and that make it to become a that color. Because why that color ratios you can feel it? Because the density of the clouds and mm, and radiation pass through the clouds, that make the make it to become a thick darker, light darker, and the white color bands also we can feel it. Because this bands is a um, very turbulence places. Because you can see the red giant spot, it's a big cyclone. In 17th century it started, now it also going. When will it end? I don't know. You can see it in the normal telescope in our earth also, that red spot. If you see in the spot, because the red spot is bigger than our earth in the diameter wise. Mm. Uh, we can I to where is the I have to put it atmosphere cloudy, it is only 50 kilometers, that means 30 miles, 31 miles extends only. In the layers of atmosphere cloud is cloud ammonium mixed cloud, that is the there is separated into two layers. The upper layer of atmosphere is ammonium, the next inner layer of the ammonium is ammonium hydrosulfide clouds. And that under the ammonium sulfide clouds, under maybe researchers thought that there may be watery clouds may be present in the bottom side of the hydrosulfide cloud. Oh, sorry, hydrosulfide cloud, ammonium hydrosulfide clouds. Then after the bottom we see the hydrogen, and the next hydrogen, metallic hydrogen, and the next is my iron and rocks, solid core, and icy waters also, icy water. That's a station. And speed of the dark band is it's approximately 100 meters a second, 360 kilometer per hour. It moving. it moving east west north east west side, mostly east west side. The turbines make the one thing is turbines make the giant dark red spot, sorry, red spots. It's a biggest cyclone. It is fast, very very fastest in our solar system. It's the biggest one also in our solar system also always. Mm. Mm. Ah. And the next thing is thunder. Thunderstrikes. Where thunderstrikes are present in the Jupiter, where the thunderstrikes are created, the molecule of the hydrogen H2O make the thunderstrikes. That confirms the water molecule is present in the Jupiter, water substances. And the axial tilt of the last video I told you the axial tilt. The warmth we get Jupiter get heat from the sun is lower than the heat generated from the inner side of the Jupiter. And the next is I told about that core. The core is a rocky, icy, metallic core. Its core mass is 12 to 45 times equal to 45 times Earth mass equal to the core. Approximately 30 to 50 percentage of the total diameter it covers the core. The core is not a solid one, but it's a fuzzy. Pressure of the core is approximately 100 million times equal to the our Earth atmosphere. We can think it if we this fraction of a second we can crunch it. We can not our if we get a spacecraft to get into the Jupiter in atmosphere, it is in a few kilometers going. It will be a crunched. And the next is I told that ring, halo ring, main ring, and gossamer ring. Halo ring is a thin ring. It is very near to the Jupiter's. That is very light dusty and light rocky particles also, small rocky particles also present in the rings. The next is the main ring, that is formed by the Adrest and Adastia and Medisu moons ejected particles. If we meteorites hit in the moon, Adastia and Metis moons, the ejected particles of moon is formed that ring because um, Jupiter gravitational force make the particles rotate itself. The same Gossamer ring, the Amalthea and Thebe, the moon's ejected particles make the Gossamer rings also. The ejected particles why did not go to the output? Because largest power of the gravitation pull of the Jupiter is making that particle rotate into itself. I did not know why it did not attract and pull it in itself, because it's very low density, low mass. I didn't know what's that. If you know, please text it in my messages description box. Okay, I'd make it this video into 9 plus minutes. Okay, okay. Today video is over. Bye bye. See you. This is from YouTube.